Yes, you can use this kit with any implant, because an osteotomy is an osteotomy, right? Drilling a hole, when we think about doing our osteotomy, we got to think about the principles of the osteotomy. Is our implant parallel? Is it tapered? You don't have to use these drills and match up this implant. I use this kit and we'll place other implants too. So it's, you can mix and match. If you want to go fully guided, like we have 2 fully guided drivers. One is a conical connection, like for the Nobel Actives, the Bluesky Biomax. It'll place any of those because it's a common connection. Then we have the internal hex connection. So you could use that with your BioHorizons, your Zimmers, your Implant Directs, your other clones. And so, I think it's helpful to, if you're placing multiple implants, maybe you get, the 2 common connections, but they make drivers for most of the major connections that you can add to the kit. And maybe you just do the osteotomy, take the guide off, and then use your other kit to place your neodent or whatever system you might be using.